Hey guys, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today we are making creamy mustard lemon pork loin. I'm making for two, so I got 4 chops. These are thinly sliced. And first we're gonna add pepper to it and some thyme, salt, and red pepper. I put it on the paper towel because I want it to be dry by the time it heats the pan. First up, heat up a tablespoon of oil and add the chops upside down with the spices on the bottom because we're going to add the same spices on the top. So pepper, salt, thyme, and paprika. This is a keto recipe, so it's high fat and low carb. Once it's done, set aside, and in the same pan add half cup broth, which I don't have, so I'll be using broth paste. Half cup water and half tablespoon of the broth paste, which is actually very, very delicious and smells amazing. And next up, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And of course, 1 tablespoon of mustard. Mix it all together until the mustard is dissolved, and you can add the meat one by one. Turn down the heat and cook it on low for 10-15 minutes. In a separate pan, 2 cups of green beans, add some water to it, cover with the lid and steam. Once it's steamed, when that's done, get rid of the water and add some oil. And once it kind of started cooking, I added a chunk of butter, just so it can have like that buttery taste, which I absolutely love, and some garlic. I went overboard with the garlic, so there's a lot in here, but you can add less. And make sure you take it off quickly because otherwise the garlic will burn. And here is the finished result. It was delicious. A little bit too sour because of the vinegar and lemon, but if you like, just add less. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bon appetit!